you touch your brakes on your side?
I'm good.
All right. Ground is Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha at Skill Ramp, requesting clearance to taxi with Yankee for east departure.
Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha, Waukegan ground, runway 23, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Runway 23 via Charlie and Alpha, Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha. Alright, 23 via Charlie and Alpha. Amazing to me how much rudder you need on this damn thing.
I know.
Unbelievable, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Problem is, it never,
Star 2 Sierra Alpha, no need to report. Runway 23, clear to land.
it never really hits a hard stop either. It's always kind of still mushy.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
like you can always get a little bit more. Exactly.
And Piper 91 Juliet, fly a wide right down when you're going to be following a Twin Star at a 4.5 mile final, runway 23.
Let's scoot in a little bit towards the wind. Clipping any of those lights on the side over there, where I want that. Now we have a nice view of the final here. Nobody's come behind us. Alright, let's straighten out the front wheel. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, brakes holding, doors are latched, and the rear one, yep. Hope it's not locked. Trim is set, fuel selectors are on. Okay, well this is the kind of the flow that we're talking about here, right?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, we're good
That
here.
gray bar right there.
Right.
The flow.
It's kind of going this way. Rudder trim. There you go. Circuit breakers. Alternate air. Flaps up. Yep. Fuel landing gear handle down. In. Yeah, I get it. Okay. Flight controls are free and correct. Thumbs up, build run up, thumbs up, build run up. Alright. Alright, ECU test now. Let's see, I think we're supposed to be here. Okay, so we're waiting for the gear
power 40%.
and we're gonna warm up here a little bit. And I should be doing it already while I'm going through my checklist.
Alright, do 40%. I'll warm it up.
All the way, huh?
40.
Yeah, that's what it's up to 40%.
Piper 9 Juliet Alpha, follow Twin Star 1 mile final. Cleared, touch and go, runway 23, number 2.
At 35 degrees, right?
Yes.
Or out of yellow.
So you can brief everything else, get everything else done, so we're ready to go as soon as it's...
Alpha, turn left when able. Taxi to the south hangars via Alpha, monitor ground point 65, exiting the runway.
And I'm ready here, my radios. Well, departure briefing, let's see, we have 6,000 feet, about 1,200 or so to take off today, a little less maybe, a little more, about 1,200. VR is 80, climbing at 85, then 92 at 1,000 feet, and fuel pumps off. I mean, gear up right away. Alright, below VR, then on the runway, properly slow down, nice and easy. Above VR, gear down, come back, full flaps, full flaps. Alright, we're good. Alright. On time, it wobbled properly. Alright. Again, and 0 went away. Right side. And seaters. Up to 40%. Wobble, wobble. Times 2. Alright. And seaters off. Good. Alright, let's do the border switches. AB, on left side, A. Auto. It was on A. Back to auto. And then on the right side, A. Auto. A. It's on B. Okay. Alright, so as I was saying, gear up, gear down after VR, then drop the flaps, settle back on the runway. If we don't have enough runway or gears up, just continue, feather it right away, and identify, verify, feather, and try to land, either go to Campbell or come back if we can.
What altitude you gonna come back?
What altitude I'm gonna come back?
Well, you said, this is exactly what we talked about before.
500 feet and above.
We'll talk about it when we're done.
Right.
So go ahead and take off.
Okay.
We're going to have an engine failure after liftoff here. And I'm going to pull one back. You're going to tell me which one. I'll give you 0 thrust, straight ahead, no turns.
Helicopter 97 Uniform Papa, Waukegan Tower, check altimeter 3003.
Okay. Okay, so,
Bingo about transition along the shoreline, 59 feet, 970.
that's our
Helicopter 7 Uniform
flow.
Papa, transition approved as requested. You're going to remain at 1,600.
Good here, and make sure that everything is locked, lights on. Waukegan Tower, Twin Star, 82 Sierra Alpha, holding short runway 23, ready to go.
Northwest.
Piper 91 Juliet, say again. Challenger 542 Bravo Alpha, was that you checking in? Last call on Waukegan Tower, say again.
Waukegan Tower, Twin Star, 822 Sierra Alpha, holding short, runway 23, ready to go.
Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha, Waukegan Tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff. Proceed on course.
Runway 23, clear for takeoff. Proceed on course, 822 Sierra Alpha. Okay.
Waukegan Tower,
Is clear.
402 Alpha Mike,
Departure
about
is
8
clear.
miles out northwest with Yankee.
Guys on
Diamond 402
downwind
Alpha
over
Mike,
there.
Waukegan Tower, report to junction inbound. Expect right traffic, runway 23.
Expect right traffic for 23, report at the junction, 402 Alpha Mike.
Piper 91 Juliet, say type landing.
This is going to be a full stop.
Piper 91 Juliet, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land for 91 Juliet. Okay, look at this.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, request no delay on your departure.
No delay, 82 Sierra Alpha.
And Piper 91 Juliet traffic to your right, high 2,000 feet on a left base, runway 23 is a Challenger.
Full power.
Looking for that traffic for 91 Juliet.
Airspeed is alive.
And helicopter 7 Uniform Papa, that traffic is heading slightly to your right.
That's our good course check.
Again, 2,000 feet on a
For
left
80
base.
knots.
Traffic inside, helicopter uniform Papa.
Helicopter 7 Uniform Papa, maintain visual separation from that traffic.
Affirmative, uniform Papa.
Waukegan Tower, Challenger 542 Bravo Alpha with visual 23.
Challenger 542 Bravo Alpha, Waukegan Tower.
It's climbing much better there without him in the back.
Piper on a 1 1/2 mile final, runway 23, clear to land number 2.
Number 2, cleared to land behind the Piper, 23 for 2 Bravo Alpha.
Alright, step on the ball, pitch for blue line, identify,
Sirius 131 miles
verify,
ground, runway 23, taxi to Alpha.
better, right 1.
Waukegan Tower 402
You can come back.
Should be climbing a blue line right now.
To a golf.
I'd recommend you have your heading bug on the runway heading so you keep your heading going.
Diamond 2 Alpha Mike.
Hey, you got them both back?
I can come back.
Both engines back. Go ahead, you're good to go. Emergency over.
Emergency's over.
Continue right
Diamond 2
turn.
Alpha Mike, I didn't observe 5 miles east, correction,
Fly maintain
northwest of Waukegan.
92%.
4,500.
Runway 23.
Fuel pumps are off.
Mid right.
So you can altitude
4,500.
Got it.
Right heading
Sure.
030.
Here. 030 on the heading.
Piper 91 Juliet, you going back to Air Bear?
Roger for 91 Juliet.
Piper 91 Juliet, turn left when able, taxi to Air Bear via Alpha, monitor ground point 65, exit in the runway. Good day.
Thank you, appreciate it. 91 Juliet.
And 2,000 to go for 4,500. Should probably find a hole to climb through these guys here.
Yes.
Traffic below us. Let me just fly a little bit to the east and find a hole here.
Star 2 Sierra Alpha, maintain 3,300, heading 030.
3,300 on 030. 82 Alpha.
At a 2 mile final, correction, 1 mile final, runway 23.
I've got traffic in sight. We'll follow Challenger for runway 23, 402 Alpha Mike.
Diamond 2 Alpha Mike follows Challenger, runway 23, clear to land number 2.
Alright. Time checklist is good, cruise checklist power, less than 85, engines checked, environmental is required. There's a hole over there, I can punch through that, but I'll stay on this altitude, as I've been advised. Just letting you know.
There's oil pouring out of the right engine. Right engine's oil's pouring out of it. We got
the Challenger.
Okay.
smoke coming out of the right engine.
Kill it.
Smoke coming out of the right engine.
Kill it.
And Diamond 2 Alpha Mike traffic,
Alright,
factory,
so
runway 23, clear to land.
if I verify,
Landed 23, 402
kill it,
Alpha
right
Mike.
engine.
Go ahead.
Challenger 2 Bravo Alpha, turn left when able, taxi 2 landmark via Alpha Mike 1, monitor ground point 65, exit in the runway.
Okay, left on Alpha, Mike 1, touch landmark and monitor ground for Bravo Alpha.
Always acknowledge doorbells and red signs.
Yes. And full power. Clean. If I'm not climbing. The blue line. Describe my emergency.
Heading in altitude, heading in altitude, heading in altitude, heading in altitude.
Our timer. I hope you're hoping, giving the time there.
Challenger 542 Bravo
Help me a little bit with the rudder.
Challenger 2 Bravo Alpha, you like it now, have your outbound clearance to Midway. Challenger 542 Bravo Alpha is cleared to the Midway Airport via radar vectors, climb and maintain 3,000. Departure control frequency.
Hey, nice job, we're going to restart it. So push your nose over, get 125 knots or greater. Go fast.
Waukegan Tower. Challenger 2 Bravo Alpha.
Turn it on.
Ready.
Got two engines back.
Waukegan Tower, hold short, runway 23, landing traffic.
3,300, heading 030.
1 Mike Golf, 1 reading back to restrictions.
030 and 3,300.
Sorry, holding short, 2
1 star 2 Sierra Alpha, turn right heading 090.
090 on the heading, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Diamond 2 Alpha Mike, if able, turn left Charlie, taxi to Skill via Charlie, monitor ground point 65, good day.
Taxi Charlie, back to Skill, monitor ground, 402 Alpha Mike.
Cirrus 131 Mike Golf, Waukegan Tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff. On your departure.
Gotta bring our hood. You got goggles or something?
Golf, proceed on course.
I do, right here. I left them right here. I'm gonna put them on?
Yeah, we'll get them later.
Alright.
So, if you look at the shadows on the water, you can see that there's no clouds over that way.
Yep.
So, when you're looking for holes, instead of looking up, look down and you'll find your hole. But honestly, I don't see any reason why we have to go any higher here, unless you want to.
I'm good. I mean, we just want to finish our...
Okay, on the 090 heading, we'll do steep turns. So we'll go once around to the left, once around to the right.
Alright.
Whenever you're configured and ready.
Want to be below VA, at or below. Actually, I prepare a little, about 115 on the airspeed here. Alright, first to the right and then to the left. Let's get back to 3300 here.
Start to the left so we kind of stay off the localizer. So start left.
Alright, first one to the left. A little too fast. That's my problem.
You gotta step on the rudders too. You gave it 0 rudder pressure when you're breaking out of that, and the ball was all the way out as far as you can to the right. Gotta use those rudders.
Alright, we'll do one to the right side.
The right?
I ended it too early.
Star 2 Sierra Alpha, turn left heading 270.
270 on the heading.
Correction, left 360.
Roger, 360.
Okay, let's do slow flight.
Alright, we'll start on our slow flight. Okay. Go check. Drop our gears. And hold it. So we get our 3 lights. Okay. Our flaps.
Star 20 Alpha, turn left heading 270.
Left 270, 20 Alpha. With him in the back, the stall horn was going by now.
Yeah, you should have the stall horn going off all the time right now, so you need to slow down a little bit more. You should be able to get below red line, because we're light. Oops. Clean that off. Always scanning for traffic. See, that's more important than doing clearing turns. You're always looking for traffic.
Yeah, I have no more elevator control, you know that?
Yep.
Is it? Is it all I get?
Yep, it's because we don't have the ballast in the bag.
Alright, wow, that's very interesting.
Turn right heading 360.
Right heading 360.
Fuel 4, Waukegan, proceeds to the
you
east
hold it all the way back.
Charlie Cross, runway 32 at the number.
It's not even going to stall. We got the stick all the way back.
That's what I'm doing.
That's why we don't have the ballast is not in the back. So you can see that sticks all the way back.
All the way, and my trim all the way, I mean.
So when you pull the power to idle, the stick limiter is going to allow you to go back a little bit further.
Right.
So when we're on that north heading, we're going to bring the power all the way back, and we're going to attempt to stall, but it probably won't.
Right.
But the stick limiter will allow the nose to come up a little bit more.
Right. Let me have that. Thank you.
Pull it all the way back and hold it back.
Alright, so we're going to approach to a land stall.
The stick limiter allowing you to go back. It won't stall. It won't stall. Just keep it all the way back. Hold it all the way back. So what happens is it speeds up.
And it just scoops
and
up
it goes
again.
down and speeds up. And goes down. Just hold it like this. Okay. So it's not going to stall today because we don't have the ballast in the back. See, the sandbag's not back there. Okay, so let's recover. Like you just stalled. Full recovery.
Challenger 5242 Bravo Alpha, Waukegan ground. Runway 23 taxi via Alpha cross runway 32.
Doors up. And flaps up.
Star 20 Alpha, turn left heading 270.
Left 270 to 0 Alpha.
And 2,800.
2,800 to 0 Alpha.
Okay, now we're going to do Vmc demonstration.
Alright, Vmc, alright. Alright, so let's slow down to blue line. And we'll start demonstration.
So that sound is very, very dangerous. So what I would suggest is just bring the power up just a smidge
Not too
till it stops. You want to avoid listening to that whenever possible.
Yeah. You want it to be a real emergency.
3 flight instructors on board. What does that horn mean?
Cirrus 131
It means that our gear is not down, we're about to land.
Landing with Yankee.
People get used to that sound.
Alright.
Cirrus 131 Mike Golf.
Don't want to get used to that
Right
sound.
down runway 23. And you sure that's not 10 miles west?
Well,
Alright, so here we go.
To my electronic equipment now.
Let's get established here.
Are you at 2,600 feet?
Negative. I'm at 2,000 feet.
Cirrus 1 Mike Golf, roger. Port
Go to
crossing the junction.
92%.
Before crossing
I'll get established slowly here. Pulling the power on the right side.
Runway 23, clear for
And,
takeoff. On your departure, turn left heading 140.
Losing my heading.
Yeah, departure left to 140.
If I cannot do it.
3 for 2 Bravo Alpha.
There we go. Alright, let me start bleeding off that airspeed a little bit. Alright, I can no longer hold it and recover. It started
Leave
going.
that power and just lower the nose. Remember we talked about that. Well, we're going way too fast.
Soldier 548 Bravo Alpha, Waukegan.
Right, let's do that over. Let's do it again. So remember, on the recovery, you don't need to pull the power back unless you're really losing control. You aren't losing control. You just need to lower the pitch. And don't go any faster than blue line. There's no sense in
Soldier
doing it.
548 Bravo Alpha is cleared to the Midway Airport via radar vectors. Climb and maintain 3,000. Departure control frequency 120.5.
Alright, we're a little low. Let me just climb a little bit.
You're fine.
We're fine.
Yep. The left engine's back to idle. Right engine's full forward.
Soldier 8 Bravo Alpha, read back correct.
Raising the dead a little bit. 0 side slip. Pitching up. Pitching up. Pitching up. Holding that heading. Holding that heading. Rudder's all the way in. We're holding that heading. We're holding that heading. Now you can't hold the heading anymore. Just slowly going up. So now leave the power full. Just lower the nose slightly.
Okay.
Lower the nose. Right there. Level. Bring it back up again. Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. Climb up. We're too fast. So lower the nose of blue line, then bring it back up. Very gradual. Hold blue line on your climb out. That's how you recover. Okay, got both engines back. Both engines back. Vmc demonstration's over. You have an engine fire. Engine fire, right engine's on fire.
Engine.
Fire, 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 fire.
Okay, shut it down. Right engine.
Both power levers idle. Gears down. Bank it over and descend. Okay, the fire's out. You're still stepping on that rudder. Okay, fire's out. Emergency's over.
And let's go gear up.
Okay. Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha, climb maintain 2,300.
2,300.
And turn left heading 130.
Left 130.
Cirrus 131 Mike Golf, across the junction.
Cirrus 1 Mike Golf, continue.
Okay, you can put the autopilot on when you're ready, and we're going to do a turn-on shadow.
That's us, probably.
We're going to do a practice ILS approach. So autopilot's on, heading and pitch. I'd go heading and altitude.
Altitude, heading, we're good.
It's stuck on pitch right now. So what you do goes vertical speed, nose down, and it'll go down and capture altitude.
Capture altitude, yeah.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha. Heading 230, intercept the localizer.
Right, heading 230 to intercept the localizer into Waukegan. 20 Alpha. So we're flying the ILS 23 approach.
Actually, 20 Alpha, correction, fly 200 intercept.
200 to intercept the localizer into Waukegan 23. 20. Okay, I mean, I gotta brief this thing.
Okay.
Approach 82 Alpha would like a delay vector to get ready here and set up.
20 Alpha, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180 to Alpha.
Sirius 1 Mike Golf, runway 23, clear to land.
1 Mike Golf, clear to land 23, thank you.
Alright, so ILS runway 23 into Waukegan. This is what we're briefing. And I could hit load it up in here too. Well, you got it loaded up, right? Okay. Alright, 110.7 is the localizer. We can identify it too, but I don't think it does anything.
Oh,
but we got
it's already identified right here.
Yep, I see the code in there.
Let's start 20 Alpha, turn right, heading 220, intercept the localizer.
Negative approach would still like a little more time here.
Okay, go ahead and just do this, and I'm going to show you what we're trying to do. We're not doing an instrument approach more so than we're doing practice your one engine inoperative. So power back to 40% at this time.
Power to 40. Let me get off this guy here. And is the yaw damper still on now?
Oh, you're fine.
Good, okay. Okay, I'm going down. Oh, wait a minute.
Here comes your localizer, turn left, and here comes your glide slope. So we're setting one power lever to 0 thrust right now. So you're at 0 thrust, and just follow the localizer down.
Alright.
Read back runway number with host short instructions and runway assignment. Advise you have information. Yankee.
I'll tell them that we're coming in.
Waukegan Tower, Twin Star 8220 Alpha is 5 miles northeast, options with Yankee.
Left turn.
Twin Star 8220 Alpha, Waukegan Tower, make straight in approach runway 23, reported 2 mile final.
Straight in 23, 2 mile final, 20 Alpha.
Gears coming down. Pumps are on. I'll bring your pumps on and landing lights are on. Forward landing check complete. Just control the airplane, follow her down. One engine set to 0 thrust. Your right engine is failed and set to 0 thrust. Not a big deal. Other engine should be up to about 60-70% power.
Okay, 3 lights down, gears down. I like glide slope.
Remember that little diamond right there is your ground tracks.
Pushing it towards there.
Need to come left, your heading should be about right here.
Sirius 1 Mike Golf, turn left 1 Ables. Stay in touch with us.
I'm going back to Bear Den, thank you.
Sirius 1 Mike Golf, taxi to the Bear Den. Via Alpha cross runway.
I just raised my minimums. Decision altitude.
Cross one way.
I'm committed right now anyway.
It's already on there. It's all set.
Oh, you got it there?
Yeah, Sirius 1 Mike Golf, once off the runway, monitor ground 0.65, good day. Challenger 548 Bravo Alpha, walking ground, runway 23, taxi via Alpha
I'm
cross
gonna put any
runway
flaps
32.
until short final until I can see the
They
field.
got it made, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Waukegan Tower, Twin Star 20 for mile final.
Twin Star 20 Alpha, runway 23, clear for the option, then right traffic.
20 Alpha.
Challenger 8 Bravo Alpha, check altimeter 3003.
Alright, 100 feet.
Okay, there's a runway, pop it up, dump your flaps,
right.
power comes back.
Minimums.
I got it. You just do my feathering, whatever you need, and I got my power here.
Available.
Here's down and lock.
Alright, 3 lights.
Okay, non-event, no big deal. You have both engines, flaps are up, go for takeoff.
Alright, both engines. Go, go, go.
Good power, good speed.
Engine alive, good
Gas
power.
is
Looking
clear.
for 80. We're clear. Fly the wing. Rotate. We're up. Pumps off. Landing light off. Off 100 feet.
Twin Star 20 Alpha, extend that one, I'll call your base.
Alright.
20 Alpha, roger.
Well, Alpha changes by
Step on the-
frequency 120.
step on the ball. Identify.
5-4.
Verify.
What's up? 2005, ready for
Feather it. Left.
Challenger 548 Bravo Alpha.
blue line.
Waukegan Tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff. On your departure, turn left heading 130.
Left turn 130, runway 23, clear for takeoff, 548 Bravo. Okay, got both engines back, make a right turn, right traffic.
Right turn, right traffic.
Finish job. We're going to do one more of those, and we're going to go back and watch a film, debrief a little bit, and go out one more time. I know it's all happening very fast.
Alright, let's see what's going on here.
Compress here.
We're good. Downwind is clear. A little too high, it's okay.
I confirm the altitude was 3,000 for 548 Bravo.
Challenger 8 Bravo Alpha, 3,000, sir. It's always going to be that way.
Alright, 3,000, 8 Bravo.
Go a little farther out to give us a little more room here.
Okay, so bring your right engine back to 0 thrust.
Right
Let's
engine,
do a one
Twin
engine.
Star 20 Alpha, runway 23, clear for the option. Caution, windy turbulence, jet departure.
Clear option 2320.
Alright, so right engine is
Okay, right
0 thrust,
engine's back.
is that it?
Challenger 8 Bravo Alpha, contact departure, have a safe flight.
Okay.
Hey, Bravo, Alpha, good day.
You're down. Lights down, okay. Fuel pumps. And light on. Some more power.
Gulfstream 227 Romeo Hotel, Waukegan ground clearance and request.
My final's clear. The other side's clear. The other base. No flaps yet. Alright, we're 3 greens.
Carrying a hell of a lot of speed. Way too fast.
Okay, we'll bleed it off.
Giving it flaps. You got it made.
Gulfstream 227 Romeo Hotel is cleared to the Augusta Airport via radar vectors. Amongst two departure.
One engine inoperative. Everything's the same. Except you hold off on the flaps a little bit.
After departure.
It's a non-event.
Control frequency 120.55.
Not a big deal.
3540.
Normal speeds. Normal speeds. Everything's normal.
Alright.
Gulfstream 7 Romeo Hotel, read back correct.
Okay, you have both engines back.
Alright.
Flaps are up. Go for it.
Go, go, go. Full power. Fly the wing. Airspeed is alive. Put on the instruments. Looking for 80.
Landmark Fuel 5 and Company, Waukegan ground. Proceed to the Delta ramp via Alpha Bravo Delta Cross runway 23 without flight.
Gear up.
So you got a direct right crosswind.
Reach for blue line. Step on the ball. Alright. Let's go down 92%.
I'd be full power if I really lost an engine, man.
Gear up, power up.
Blue line.
Blue line. So we can climb.
As soon as you feather, it'll be flying a lot better.
Feather it.
Okay, which one do you got? Point to it.
Feather, right side.
There you go. No, we feather. You never did that. Or I didn't see it. Watch your speed, watch your speed, watch your speed. Faster. You got a blue line. We're climbing away. Losing altitude. Get that nose up.
Waukegan Tower, Cessna 40 Echo Sierra.
That nose up, man. Climb, baby, climb.
Northwest with Yankee.
Okay, you got both engines back. So you kind of gave up once you got feathered. It's like, no, man, you want to climb. Turn right.
408 Echo Sierra, Waukegan Tower.
Okay, we'll do a full stop landing. Right turn, clear right.
Alright, we'll go to the right.
408 Echo Sierra entering mid.
Pattern altitude.
Downwind right.
Power comes back about 50%. You're there. Power back.
Oh, clear on the other side.
Yep, we're clear.
We're going to tower Twin Star 82 Alpha. We're doing a full stop this time.
2 Sierra Alpha, roger.
Okay, keep it in tight because we're going to have a dual engine failure. You're going to have them both at simulated feather and we're going to land with no power.
Got it.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, runway 23, clear to land.
23, clear to land, 82 Alpha.
So we'll set our power to 0 thrust. Turn right into the runway.
Alright. Gear down.
It'll drop pretty fast, so you want to get it right onto the runway.
Alright, 3 lights down.
We're at 0 thrust.
Alright.
All All you got now is the flaps to control your altitude and airspeed.
Okay, 3 green lights. Now it's clear.
Got it made, no problem. Plenty of speed. Dump the flaps.
Minimums. Minimums.
Alright, you got the controls over there?
It's at 0 thrust.
Alright, idle, idle.
To idle if you're at 0 thrust.
Right.
It's gonna float like that. That's what it's gonna be really like.
Right, right.
Okay.
The brakes in there?
I'm not touching a thing.
Okay.
You have the controls.
Twin Star 20, turn left when able. Taxi 2 Skill via Alpha Charlie, cross runway 32, monitor ground point 65.
Available.
Left on Alpha 4, back to Skill via Alpha Charlie. Monitor ground 20.
And cross 32.
And we'll cross 32, 20.
Hey, nice job. We'll go down and we'll debrief it and talk about it. And we'll go try it again.
Alrighty.
Cessna 8 Echo Sierra, runway 23, clear to land.
40 Echo Sierra, runway 23, cleared to land.
Alright, let's, alright, we're clear here. Enter ground. Go to the right, go to the left.